Kinetic energy is energy of motion. Anything that moves has kinetic energy. The kinetic energy, as indicated by Ke, can be calculated by multiplying the mass of the people and the apparatus that they are sitting on by 1/2 and the velocity of the people and the seats squared. When the people are moving upwards and downwards, they have kinetic energy. Their kinetic energy is directly related to the amount that they are moving. At the beginning of the ride, kinetic energy is highest when they shoot up. It begins at 0 at the highest height of the ride. When it first comes down, it is highest, but then it decreases as the ride slows to a stop. Gravitational potential energy is stored energy that depends on position relative to the ground. The higher an object is, the more gravitational potential energy it has, as it has more of a potential to fall. The gravitational potential energy, as indicated as GPE, can be calculated for the people at any point on the coaster by multiplying their height by their total mass and by the gravitational field force, with equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. Gravitational potential energy increases as the seats and people move upwards. It decreases as the seats and people move downwards after their initial shot upwards. Thus, gravitational potential energy is the highest at the top of the ride and is at its lowest at the bottom of the ride.
The law of conservation of energy states that the total energy in a system is conserved. As kinetic energy decreases on the big shot, potential gravitational energy increases. When the people reach the highest point of the big shot, the gravitational potential energy is highest and the kinetic energy is lowest. Total energy always remains the same. Some potential and kinetic energy is converted to other forms of energy, like sound and thermal energy, due to friction. Despite this conversion, the total energy of the big shot throughout the ride remains the same.